We begin with an update on developments in Haiti. At least 1,297 people are dead and more than 5,000 injured. The latest numbers following yesterday's deadly earthquake. The powerful 7.2 magnitude earthquake has left a trail of destruction in the Caribbean country. Rescuers are picking through rubble in a desperate search for any survivors. Meanwhile, hospitals in Haiti have become overwhelmed. Images from the Associated Press a day after Haiti was rocked by yet another earthquake. These people seen here had to sleep outside after their homes were destroyed. Firefighters still busy trying to find survivors. Haiti's Civil Protection Agency said the majority of deaths took place in the south of the country, where 500 people are known to have died. The quake destroyed close to 3,000 homes and damaged another 5,000. This was Haiti's Prime Minister Ariel Henry at a press conference on Saturday.
The government decided this morning to declare a state of emergency for 1 month following this disaster. We call on the population to show solidarity with each other. Let's avoid panic in the face of this earthquake.
Haiti's chief seismologist predicted the last earthquake, but admits that this one took everybody by surprise.
For a few years, we have been carrying out seismic monitoring in each department, with a monthly reports of over a shaking. The Southern Department was the listed risk among the 10 geographic departments. So to me, it's a surprise, and it shows that earthquakes are totally unpredictable.
With so many injured, hospitals have been pushed to the brink. The Prime Minister says the local hospitals are overwhelmed with injured people. In fact, some hospitals have set up tents outside to accommodate the increasing patient load. On Sunday, the UN Office for the Coordination of Humanitarian Affairs said while a recent surge in COVID-19 cases in Haiti has tapered off, the possible displacement of thousands of people has created ripe conditions for a spike in COVID-19 infections. That spike could further stretch hospital staff who are trying to care for those wounded in the quake. The international community has promised to help. U.S. President Joe Biden said he had authorized an immediate U.S. response. The UN also said it was supporting the rescue effort.